Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you guys how you can create this easy nude glam that you can wear for any function or if you're going out, and also it will be really wearable. Subtle makeup look. It's kind of a fall autumn look. If you want to know how I'm gonna create this look, then please continue watching. Firstly, I'm gonna use some sunscreen. I'm using the Dermdoc SPF 50 sunscreen. You have to be generous with sunscreen. I'm applying this because it works really good as a makeup base, and since it has a very oily, greasy look, it's gonna help me with my makeup base. So I'm gonna really just blend it all into my skin. And then for my orange correction, I'm using my Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation in the shade Mocha. I'm first starting off with my eyes to just color correct the darkness on my eyelids. I'm just using that. And then I'm taking the Wet n Wild Photo Focus concealer in the shade Medium Tawny, which is way too light, but that works really good as a eye base. So I'm using that to, sort of make the color really pop well, since it's a light base. And I'm blending it all out with my Color Bar beauty sponge. Then moving on, I'm using the Miss Claire eyebrow pencil in the shade Medium Brown. I'm just filling it all in as usually. Then I'm correcting those eyebrows using the same concealer that I used, and again blending it all out. Then I did set it with my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade Toffee. Then I'm taking my Swiss Beauty Color Story 24 colors eyeshadow palette, and I'm taking that brown color as my crease color. It's gonna work really well for me. So again, neutral is different for different people. My nude may not be yours and vice versa. So this might be very dark for you if you're from the fair skin family, but if you're from the dusky skin, it might not even show up. So and then I'm taking this orangish kind of a color. It's really pretty, and I'm putting that a little bit below the color that I applied first. So neutral is different for different people. This is my neutral glam look. And then taking that little bit of reddish orangish color, I'm gonna place it just in my really close to my lash line. I'm not taking way up above. Taking my concealer, I'm gonna do some cut crease here. So whenever you do a cut crease, make sure you look up, and that will be like your demarcation as to up to where you should have the concealer. It should not go beyond that. Then I'm filling it in with a beautiful copper shade. It's kind of a champagne-y shade almost. It's so pretty. And I'm repeating the same on the other eye as well. Then coming back to base again, I'm using the Wet n Wild foundation again to color correct my face. So yeah, the usual areas like under my eyes, around my mouth area, and just using my Wet n Wild brush, I'm just buffing it all in. Then moving on, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 330 Toffee. This might look a little bit lighter, but trust me, it oxidizes a lot, so it's gonna get settled really well into my skin. So by the end of this, it'll be like my skin tone. It won't be this light at all. Then I'm taking my Maybelline Instant Age Divine Concealer in the shade Caramel, and I'm using it just in the centers of my face and obviously the under eye area. Then I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Face HD powder and using that to set my under eye areas and wherever I've concealed basically. I'm not setting the whole of my face. Then taking my Wet n Wild Mega Glow contouring palette, I'm just contouring my cheekbones and my forehead and the jawline and everywhere. Then taking that dark wineish sort of a color, I'm gonna use that as my blush. It's a beautiful color. I'm also applying it to my nose area and my cheeks. I really like to apply my blushes to the nose area. I'm applying the same crease color that I used to my lower lash line as well. And then taking that kind of a highlighter shade that I usually use as a highlighter, I'm using that to brighten my inner corners and the brow bone area. Then taking my Maybelline Total Temptation mascara, I'm gonna coat all of my lashes really well because I'm not gonna be using any false lashes. So this has to do the cut for me. Then finally for our lips, I'm taking the Nykaa Matte to Last liquid lipstick in the shade Shy, and I'm gonna just outline and fill the outer portion of my lips, not the whole. I'm sort of using it like a lip liner. Even you can do this kind of trick. This is also like a nice nude shade for me, but still I would like it to be a little bit more lighter. This can work really good as a beautiful nude for more duskier skin than me. And I'm gonna add the Nykaa ultra matte lipstick in the shade Jane just to the center part of my lips. I like this shade to mute down any dark lips. I like to use this shade whenever I feel like my lips has gone overboard. I use this shade, and I'm taking some gloss. This is a very old gloss. This is actually some ITEX Dazzler gloss. I'm just dotting it all across my lips and blending it out with my fingers. So yes, you guys, this is my final look. I hope you guys found this video helpful. I really love the way it has turned out. It is a very wearable, everyday kind of look. Not everyday, but still, you can wear it outside. It's not gonna be like on the face kind of a look. Interested in makeup related stuff, skincare, and more, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Until then, take care and bye.